How to save Microsoft Word file as a PDF. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can save your Microsoft Word file as a PDF. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your Word document. So as you can see, this is the Word document that I want to save as a PDF. So what I do here is tap on the file option on the top left. After I tap on the top left option, what I can then do is tap on this save as option right here. After you tap on save as, there you'll find an option called more options. So you can change the name of your document if you want to, and then the file type as well. So here make sure that you select PDF. After you select PDF, tap on more options and then select your file location where you want to save this, then tap on save. And with that, I've just saved my Word document as a PDF. And it's that simple, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye.